This animal lives just fine without a brain. Wait, how is that even possible? Meet the jellyfish. It has no brain, no heart, and no bones, yet it's been floating around the oceans for over 500 million years. Instead of a brain, jellyfish use a nerve net, a simple system that helps them detect light, movement, and danger. It's like a built-in autopilot. Some jellyfish even glow in the dark, and others have venom strong enough to stop a human heart. Not bad for a brainless blob, right? So next time someone calls you brainless, just say you're jellyfish smart. Follow for more wild animal facts.